Hey friends, amid lockdown, we all think of going out and explore some beautiful and exotic places, but unfortunately, we cannot do so. So, while being at home, this video will let you experience the exotic and popular island holiday destination in Indonesia, that's Bali. It is well known for its warm hospitality, exotic temples, palaces with stunning backdrops, a number of very beautiful and assorted beaches that gives you paradise like views, and along with that it also offers several activities like rafting, hiking, and many more. So this is the Bali's most popular waterfall, that is Tegenangan waterfall. So this video will let you explore the river rafting experience that we had at Ayung River in Ubud, Bali. So we are on our way and you can see the clean and well maintained roads. You can roam around by renting your scooties and by cars. And nearly every path on this island gives you the very scenic beauty that will please your mind and soul. And there you can see several hoardings that will give you details of various activities that are taking place in Bali, and you can contact them. So as and when we reach the spot, the first spot, we were provided with the pedals and life jackets. So we have to walk down the beautiful rice fields with fascinating landscape views and stunning atmosphere. The weather was very pleasant. It was not very sunny and not very rainy, so it was all pleasant. So the starting point of this rafting is nearly 450 to 500 steps down this dense forest. We have one guide which is allotted per 6 persons for the rafting. And here you can see we are accompanied by 4 more Australian fellas with us. So as we reach down, the rafts are full and they are ready to move. The Ayung River is the longest river on this island. The panorama of this beautiful, intact natural area makes this expedition worth venturing. So the English-speaking guide also keeps you engaged in fun throughout the rafting. You can see the view, and meanwhile if you are very much hungry, so don't worry, there are around 4 to 5 stop shops where you can have snacks and drinks or even booze. So with the sliding, we have come to an end of this 2 hours of adventurous rafting experience, which was tremendously exciting and really adventurous. So in the end of this expedition, we were given complimentary lunch at a very scenic and beautiful place and concluded this tour with yummy mango shake. So this is our unforgettable experience of White River rafting in Ubud, Bali. So if you liked the video, hit the bell button and subscribe to the channel for more exotic experience and more videos.